Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Range Rover Velar 2.0 D200 Dynamic HSE. Now, this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Colour-Varesine Blue. To start off with then, you have your pixel LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 21-inch 5V spoke alloy wheels with the satin dark grey finish really complementing against the Colour-Varesine Blue exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. Moving through the rear seats now, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. This car also features a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 15,887 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which allows you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listening to your own music whilst on the go. Of course, you also have your 4x4 information, terrain response drive modes, and of course your ride height, all of these features making the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may find yourself on, ensuring you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. Along with a rear view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, and as well as this you also have front heated seats, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days. This has been a presentation on a Range Rover Velar 2.0 D200 Dynamic HSE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.